A pharmacist prepares 250 ml of an infusion to contain 250 milligrams of the drug for administration to a 190-pound patient. This is the weight of the patient. The rate of flow is determined to be 34 milliliter per hour. Calculate the rate of flow in microgram per kilogram per minute. So the final unit is going to have 3 different units. So let's first try to understand what is actually happening in here. So this is my 250 milligram size vial. This is going to be dissolved in this 250 ml size bag, and the drug is dissolved. This is going to be administered to my patient, and we know the weight of the patient is 190 pound. But at the end, this pound has to be converted to kilogram, and we know that the rate of flow at this moment is given in 34 milliliter per hour. So from here, the rate is expressed as ml per hour, but we need to express this in microgram mcg microgram per kilogram of the body weight per minute. So per minute means we write it like this. So it has 3 different parts. You can see this is microgram, this is kilogram, and this is minute. So at first glance this may look really intimidating, but it's not that hard if you follow the dimensional analysis and plug all the information in correct order. So the best idea of starting is looking at what information we need to get at the very end. We need microgram, which is the weight of the drug, and in here we have an information. We can write 250 milligram contained in 250 ml. So we already have the weight of the drug in the numerator. We should be very happy, but we're not that happy because we have ml in the denominator. So we have to get rid of this ml. What else information do we have? We know that the rate of the flow is 34 ml per hour. So we put 34 ml per hour. So this ml and ml will cancel out. Now we have to get rid of this hour. So we bring the hour over 60 minutes, because 1 hour equals 60 minutes, and this will actually bring the minute in the denominator in here. Look at this. And then we have to convert the milligram to microgram. That is what we're going to do. Milligram goes to microgram, because we know 1 milligram equals 1000 microgram. And then we have to convert the weight of the patient from pound to kilogram. But before that, we have to understand why we should divide the quantity with 190 pound, not multiply. Because if you look at this, the final desired unit has kilogram, the weight of the patient in denominator. That's why we need the weight of the patient. No matter what the unit is in the denominator, we cannot multiply this. We have to divide this with 190 pound. And the final step would be converting this pound to kilogram unit. So we know that 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. So we start canceling out. The pound cancels out, the milligram cancels out, milliliter cancels out, hour cancels out, and at the end we have microgram in the numerator. This is what we need. Then kilogram in the denominator. This is what we need. Look at this, kilogram in the denominator. And then minute also at the denominator. Minute at the denominator. So we complete the calculation and we get a number 6.56 microgram per kilogram per minute. This is the desired answer in desired unit.